Hi everyone, welcome to my Russian Mandalas course for the beginners, where you will learn how to create a round composition in traditional Russian folk art style. Khokhlama. My name is Irina and I'm Russian folk artist from St. Petersburg. I learned the technique of folk painting from my Russian teacher with 50 years of professional folk painting experience. And now I'm happy to share this joyful, sunny creativity with you. At the end of this course, you will be able to create your own khokhlama composition with symbolic meaning of health, well-being, happiness, fertility and other life benefits for yourself and your family. In old Russia, these folk compositions were a protector of a house or a family. You can paint it on a paper or canvas and put it on the wall at home or in your office, or present it to your friends and it will be shine as a sun and bring the positive energy to your life. In this course, I'm going to lead you step by step from the basic elements to the completed composition. The correct position of the hand, which materials to choose, the rules and canons, symbolism and the history of this folk art, all these things you will find in this practical and informative course. The ideal students for this course are arts and crafts enthusiasts, people looking for a relaxing hobby to get rid of stress, people who want to learn how to make unique, personalized gifts for friends with symbolic meaning, also for professional painters, illustrators, teachers to expand the range of their skills, and entrepreneurs who would like to start a local or online business selling original interior painting, beautiful home decorations or decorated accessories. For more information, watch the introduction and your artwork videos. And see you in the class.